What is up, guys? It's the first time I've been outside in about 3 days, because I've been gaming non-stop. Don't get me wrong, I love gaming, but non-stop, it's even more fun. I'm just leaving my house. Look at that house. It's being built right next to mine. And it looks huge. So yeah, now I'm just walking down. Ooh, what is that? Like a wooden block. Standing on. Okay. That was pretty embarrassing. Hopefully no one saw that. I am vlogging in public. See, there's even a car right there. That's how public I'm going right now. Right now, I think my parents know I left, but you never can be sure, so. Whoa, my neighbor is leaving his house. There are people everywhere. This is actually really embarrassing. I should pretend I'm on my phone and then I'm Uvuing or something. Oh, no. Okay. Sorry. I don't know where I should go. Let's go down here. Let's leave my neighborhood. You probably can't even see me because of the light. It's so bright. Okay. Okay. Can you see me? How about now? I don't think you can see me. Anyway. This is actually real embarrassing. Oh, hi. I didn't even know who that was. That's embarrassing. Okay. So we are leaving my neighborhood. I live on... I'm not gonna say that. Let's just say I live in New York. Oh, hi! She didn't wave back. And she was picking her nose. She's picking her nose. Oh, hi. Oh! She waved. She waved. People are probably wondering why I'm walking alone. I feel like such a loner. Oh, I hear the ice cream truck. My neighbor. Whoa! My neighbor just drove past me. It was dirty as luck. It's not here. It's not here. Oh! What the hell was he right? Yeah, ice cream! Ah. It's the ice cream man. Yeah! So embarrassed. That was gonna be. Oh, hi. How are you?
How are you?
Video logging.
What?
Video logging on YouTube. Oh. Say hi. Say hi to people. I don't even know who she is. That's really weird. So, right now, my dad just got me these glasses. They have orange on them. I guess I should be wearing the green ones, shouldn't I? Because my hat's sort of green. Okay then. Let me just get back to my house. Let's run. My house is so far away, so it might take me a few seconds. You probably can't hear me, but... Come on. Come on. Come on. Go. I gotta get to my house. I'm running across private property. I can't do this. Oh my god. Whoa. I almost fell down that thing. Okay. Back at the house. See you later, guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. See ya. Bye.